Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Budruk. I will be discussing illustrations on self-balancing ledger. Go to study note number 7. Page number 405, question number 1. Mr. Anubhav Goyal keeps his ledger on self-balancing system. Following particulars are extracted from his books. These are the transactions for the month March 15. You are required to prepare creditor's ledger adjustment account as would appear in general ledger for the month March 15. You are supposed to prepare creditor's ledger adjustment account in general ledger. Very simple, it is normal creditor's account. 1st of March, purchased from Akash 7,500. Entry is purchases account debit to Akash to creditors. We'll see how it is to be posted in the ledger. In general ledger, creditors ledger adjustment account 1/3/15 1st March 15 by general ledger adjustment account purchase from Akash 7,500. 3rd March paid 3,000 after adjusting initial advance in full to Mr. Akash. 3rd March to general ledger adjustment account paid to Akash 3,000. Purchases from Akash 7,500 paid to him 3,000 after adjusting initial advance. That means initial advance is 4,500. To balance brought down advance to Akash 4,500. That means in the last month, in the month of February only, advance was given to Akash for the purchases which was 4,500. Now 3,000 has been paid, total payment 7,500, purchases 7,500. 10th of March paid 2,500 to Mr. Dev towards the purchases made in February in full. Made purchases in February, payment is made now on 10th of March. 10th of March to general ledger adjustment account paid to Dev 2,500. As the purchases were made in Feb, beginning of the month March, this was outstanding. So it is to be shown as opening balance 1st of March, buy balance brought down, purchase from Dev 2,500. In the month of February, purchases were made from Dev on credit and payment is made now. On 12th, paid advance to Giridhar 6,000. To general ledger adjustment account paid advance to Giridhar 6,000. Purchased goods from Akash 6,200. By general ledger adjustment account purchases from Akash 6,200. Returned goods worth 1,000 to Akash. To general ledger adjustment account returned to Akash 1,000. Transaction by which creditors balance increases is to be credited to creditors ledger adjustment account, and transactions by which creditors balance decreases is to be debited to creditors ledger adjustment account. That is the reason why purchases are credited and purchase return are debited to creditors ledger adjustment account. Settled the balance due to Akash at a discount of 5%. From Akash, goods worth 6,200 were purchased. Out of that, 1,000 worth goods were returned to him. Net balance due to him is 5,200 and it was settled at a discount of 5%. 5,200 net due to Akash, purchases minus return, 6,200 minus 1,000. Discount is 5% of 5,200, discount is 260 and cash payment is 5,200 minus 260 which is 4,940. To general ledger adjustment account, discount received 260. To general ledger adjustment account, paid to Akash 4940. Goods purchased from Giridhar against the advance paid already. Advance paid to Giridhar was 6000 on 12th, and against this advance goods were purchased. By general ledger adjustment account, purchases from Giridhar 6000. Purchased from Nathan 3500. By general ledger adjustment account, purchases from Nathan 3500. Goods returned to Prem 1200. The goods were originally purchased for cash in the month of Feb 2015. As this was cash purchase which was returned, it is not to be recorded in creditors ledger adjustment account. Now balance this account to balance carried down. This is balancing figure 3500. Now if you see 4500 and 3000 is getting adjusted here. 2500 is getting adjusted here. Debit is cancelling against credit. 6200 credit. Then if you see 1000 debit, 260 debit, 4940 debit. If you add this, you will get 6200. 6000 advance. Against that purchases are made. So this is also getting set off. Purchases 3500, only this is remained as balance. Now go to page number 406, question number 3. Prepare total creditors account for the year ended 31st March 13 from the data given below. You are supposed to prepare creditors account. Total creditors account. Creditors balance on 1/4/12, opening balance 38,000. Total creditors account in general ledger 1/4/12, by balance brought down 38,000. Then give heading by general ledger adjustment account and to general ledger adjustment account, because various dates are not given. So for each and every transaction, instead of giving the heading, you can give the heading and give subheads below that. Credit purchases during the year 2,67,000. Journal entry for this is purchases account debit to creditors. So creditors account credit side 2,67,000. Bills payable accepted 62,000. Cash paid to creditors 1,37,000. BR endorsed to creditors 16,000. All these three to be debited to creditors account. Because of this, creditors balance reduces, it goes down. Bills payable accepted 62,000, cash paid to creditors, and BR endorsed. Endorsed BR dishonored 3,000, bills payable dishonored 2,000, both to be credited to creditors account. Because of dishonor of bill, creditors balance will increase. Endorsed bill dishonored 3,000, bills payable dishonored 2,000. Purchase return 11,000, discount received 6,000, transfer from debtors ledger 7,000. All these three to be debited to creditors account. Because of these three transactions, creditors balance goes down. Discount received 6,000, transfer 7,000, return outward 11,000. Balance the account. This is balancing figure. To balance carried down 71,000. In this particular video, we have seen illustrations covering creditors ledger adjustment account. Thank you.